When it comes to pool water, looks can be deceiving. While it's easy to see that a pool with a serious algae problem or cloudy, murky water is unsafe, it's not always that obvious. Even crystal clear pools can have harmful bacteria and contaminants in the water. Knowing how to maintain healthy, balanced pool water and identify signs of trouble is key to ensuring your pool water is safe for swimming. Did you know that your nose can alert you to issues with your water? It's true. One common myth is that a pool that smells like chlorine is well sanitized. And while it's a logical assumption to make, it's unfortunately not true. A strong chlorine odor typically means there isn't enough free available chlorine in the pool. The harsh smell comes from inactive chemical compounds called chloramines, which develop when chlorine bonds with ammonia molecules in the water. Essentially, if your pool reeks of chlorine, it's probably time to check those chlorine levels and shock the pool. There are also visual cues to keep an eye out for. You should never swim in a green, murky, or cloudy swimming pool. The reduced visibility is a safety hazard, making it hard to see if a swimmer is struggling to stay afloat. Also, cloudy water and algae are almost always symptoms of poor water balance and low chlorine levels, meaning the water isn't safe. A clear pool may seem safer than a pool riddled with algae, but don't judge a book by its cover. Even the most pristine-looking pools can be filled with harmful contaminants if it's not properly balanced and sanitized. Testing the water is truly the only way to know if your pool is safe for swimming. Regular cleaning and ample circulation and filtration are important pieces of the pool care puzzle, but weekly water testing is the cornerstone of maintaining a clean, safe, and beautiful pool. Balanced water not only helps your chlorine work more efficiently, but also prevents major pool issues and costly damages to pool surfaces and equipment. Properly sanitized water has a free chlorine level between 1 and 4 parts per million. And there you have it! Maintaining clean and safe pool water doesn't require a chemistry degree or professional-grade cleaning tools, but it does require a consistent weekly commitment.
Here's what to check on to make sure that your pump is always working properly. So number one is you want to check your pump basket. Any debris not caught in your skimmer basket can make its way to your pump basket. So check and empty your pump basket, and only remove the pump basket when the pump is off. Number two is you want to check your pump lid seal. If your pump isn't sealed properly, air can get into your system. You want to check the lid's O-ring for cracks and damages, and use a lubricant specifically made for O-rings, or replace the O-ring if it's completely worn out. Number three is you want to check your pump connections. Any weak connections can introduce air into the system, so inspect the unions and the connection points between the pump and the plumbing lines. You may also want to consider adding plumber's tape to any looser connection points to prevent air leaks. Number four is you want to keep your water level at least halfway up the skimmer. If it dips too low, your pump can start sucking in air. And worse, your pump can run dry and overheat. Number five is you want to clean your skimmer basket and your filter regularly. If your water isn't flowing through the skimmer or the filter properly, your pump will struggle. So empty your skimmer basket once a week and backwash or clean your filter when the pressure starts to creep up.